Hi, myself Santhosh. I'm a founder of 7Dots's brand company. So basically, what we do is like we do strategic brand management, and we are into wherever we are into a lot of multiple marketing activities, and wherever the brand comes in, we are there. So as a starting, we are an 8-year-old company, and we've been working as a different name. We have been started our career with a media production company where shooting videos and editing stuffs and making the media production was our major backbone business what we had in the beginning. So when we started up in 2016, we were a bunch of technical peoples where we were not much know about any knowledge about finance or accounting or books or any kind of proper business structure. So we are just technical people. At those time, when until VAT was there, when that if I'm not wrong, it was 2017 or 18. GST just jumped in, and we were also in a 1-year travel of business, so where we were pushed to do all this invoicing, accounting, and things and all. So where we had to try ERP softwares and accounting softwares and all. At that time, that was too complicated for us, and being a startup, it was very tough. Getting it organized. We had friends who were using tallies and other things, but that was for different purpose. Finding a software for our purpose was technically very tough, and we tried with couple of other vendors also. We have been using QuickBooks for 6 months, and lastly QuickBooks lost its support again. When we are trying to do multiple things, we came across Zoho Invoice. Zoho Invoice, our first product. When we purchased it was 2018, and we were luckily happy with the product. And I'll not tell you happy. We are gratified about it because it solved a lot of our problems. Basically, the support what Zoho gave was like they made us understand how invoicing was working, and how even a step ahead how accounting was working with with us, because it was pretty new. And when time flowed, we emerged into a corporate structure. We wanted to make ourselves as a corporate structure. And what happened was like these people, when we go to when the business was still regional, we felt comfortable with doing handbills, challans, and things and all. When we get into a corporate style of working, and we have to work with corporate people and their protocols and their ideations, we need a common cloud storage, and which is very accessible and pocket friendly. Obviously, we felt Zoho Invoice 2018 was very much comfortable, where I can open it from anywhere. I don't want to use any. There was still times when we were putting invoices in Photoshop. I still remember those times, but still that was made better by Zoho, and it's been a 5-year travel with Zoho. We see Zoho as whenever we go inside, there is a lot of room of growth and room of space where we can scale up impeccably. So where I see by using Zoho from a team of 4 to 24 was tough, but with Zoho we feel 24 to 250 would be easy. That's it. Thank you.